Hey guys, it's Angela. I have a video here where I attempted a dustpan pour for the first time and did it in some rainbow colors because, again, you can't go wrong with rainbows. And I don't know, I just wanted to. So I'm filling up my cup here with every conceivable color on the planet. And the dustpan is just a Dollar Tree dustpan, ginormous one that I've actually seen a couple of fluid artists use, and the canvas is a 10 by 20, so it is bigger than the canvas, but so I used a couple different paint calculators and basically said I needed roughly about between 8 and 10 ounces to fill the whole thing. So that cup was a good 8 ounces and I filled it over the line. So I did a ring pour, and I like showing it from different angles because, I don't know, I think it's soothing watching paint pour for myself. So here's where I was hoping that I was going to do this right. You have to kind of go slow, but you have to just time it just right so that you have the right amount of paint to cover the whole canvas. So here we go. And what I did not anticipate, or what I had not really planned for, was that at the very end, when I got to the end, I kind of lifted up on the dustpan and I was looking at the canvas and I didn't realize that right about here, it started dripping onto the canvas. And that's my very beginning blooper where I went, oh no! I got a whole bunch of drips on my canvas, so a little more visible from this angle.
Don't know how much you mean to me, baby. I can't put it in words. You don't know how much you give to me, baby. You keep making me learn.
It just kills me seeing that. There's also like a big glop of Floetrol, I think, in the paint. That kind of came out. So I sped up the tilting because a lot of it just kind of went off camera and you couldn't really see it anyway. So it wasn't really a satisfying camera tilt. But I probably should have put down a base coat. I think it would have went a lot smoother. Here's me getting part of that big glop off. I didn't use much precision because I sort of decided that I was going to go big or go home, and since I had a ton of extra paint left in the dustpan, I was just going to pour it back onto the canvas. And I was largely second guessing my decision right here. But I think in the end, spoiler alert, I think it turned out okay. Because it did sort of help me pour most of it off But it did kind of keep the colors, and it kind of got the major drip spots away, and got the big loopy Floetrol areas away too. So strain your Floetrol. That's something that I don't do and really should do, but yeah.
I could hold you tight for the rest
And here's how it came out dry. Overall, I really like it. I really think I'll try it again, maybe with a few less colors. But yeah, I don't think it's bad for a first attempt. So, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving for those who celebrate. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video.